That's your background you're choosing.
What? All
that junk.
All the junk? Just pay attention to this and that. The Billetworkz and Boxerfest is coming up. We're going there. So Ryan, what are we doing today?
I'm installing something we got from Billetworkz.
That's right. What did we get from Billetworkz this time? Because we got a lot of parts coming up with them.
Let me grab it.
And we got the Mazda. Is it going on the Mazda?
Yep.
Yes. Everyone's been asking, where is this car? And here it is. So, woo!
Got this Hawaiian floral shift boot.
Cool.
That we got from Billetworkz at Boxerfest last year.
Yeah, Austin handed that directly too. That's pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
Sweet. So this is going on here?
Yep.
Awesome. You got the Suvies t-shirt going on. Sweet.
Oh, yeah.
I'm wearing the G35 today. Cool. So we'll pull this out and get some shots of the car, and then we'll install that boot.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Let's do it.
Yas. See how it sounds.
It got so much quieter since we turboed it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, well, hopefully it'll shoot flames.
Sounds good, but it's quiet.
I'm like right behind this. Woo! Yeah. Cool. Oh, you look at that. You put these little bumper extensions on here?
Yeah.
Cool.
So crazy how they do that with those stickers. Cause that looks.
Oh, that's not real?
Yeah, it's fake carbon fiber.
Yo.
It's just a.
Hold on.
It's just a vinyl wrap.
That's a vinyl wrap? Wow.
At least I think it's vinyl. Might be hydro dipped.
Dude, that looks so clean. I imagine it's like hydro then.
Yeah.
Cool. Sweet, man. This thing's mean.
So dirty it needs a bath.
Dude, man, this is nice. Okay, cool. So we got that's a nice lip. Okay. Where'd you get that from?
eBay.
eBay.
It's one of them universal. They don't even know what it fits, but
it fits everything.
it was like 30 bucks, so I figured I'll try it.
Cool.
It'll be up like that.
Nice.
But it's like the perfect curve, matches the bumper.
Yeah. Cool.
Oh yeah. I just gotta trim this, I think, to fit right there.
Yeah, that's not much.
And then this will go all the way up flush, and this gap won't be here.
Cool. Maybe you could get that dipped like the rear extensions are.
Yeah, maybe. Or I was thinking of just painting those rear extensions black.
That's a good call too.
Just have everything that I'm doing on the outside black.
You should just go with carbon fiber accents because they're super expensive. Cool. Well, the exterior looks amazing. We got a lot of stuff coming up for the engine, but you're saying you want to have what, a almost like a Hawaiian interior theme?
Yeah, I think I'm going with that, yeah.
Cool. I think that sounds awesome. Do you still have the Hula Girl in here?
No.
No?
Broke apart. I'm getting a new one though.
Okay. We're going like a hula type of Hawaiian interior, so we got this boot And yeah, let's get to it, yeah?
Yep.
Awesome. Before we go installing everything on this, what are we going to Boxerfest in this?
Probably.
Because that's in like 2 weeks.
Yep, I believe so.
Cool. So we're not gonna be, you think?
I really want to take that, but I have to fix quite a few things, and I don't know if I'll make it. So probably not gonna take that.
Ah, the blue one, right? The
Yeah.
WRX.
I wanted to enter it in the exhaust competition, but
Yeah, we really wanted to enter the WRX back there in the exhaust competition at this year's Boxerfest 2019.
yeah,
But Ryan busted a turbo or something.
I don't know what's wrong with it, but I don't have time to fix it right now.
Well, got time to install something on here, and I guess we can maybe win again. We won last year, so
The off-road guys want me to
in its
come
class.
hang out with them, so
In its class,
I don't know. I like that trophy. It's pretty cool. I want another one.
right? The trophy is sweet. All right, cool. Let's install this boot. Okay, you got the old one out already, yeah?
I never had it like ripped, and I've been riding around like this since I redid it.
Have you? That shows how long it's been since I've been in the interior. All right, so this is what we're looking at down here. We got the base and we got the knob going on. And I actually do like this. It's a little bit more sporty than
It's a weighted knob. It weighs freaking like 2 pounds almost.
Cool. Yeah.
I got it out of that parts car.
Yo, Billetworkz makes those too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I kind of want to put my, once I do the tropical interior, put my beer tap back on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think it'll go along with it.
It's got like the wood kind of feel to it.
Oh yeah. Cool, man. Yeah. But so we're gonna put this boot on. Where's that? Cool. Woo.
Dirty. I need to clean.
Stitch boots. So this is the construction of this boot. You know,
It's got elastic around it.
super lightweight. It's got an elastic band at the bottom. And so how do we go installing this?
Cool. Well, first you got to get this silver piece off.
Okay.
Comes off pretty easy.
Is that one of those pull-out things?
Yeah, it just pops in there. You can get a flathead or whatever.
Cool.
I'm just using this.
Alright, nice and easy.
Put that to the side. Alright, and then don't mind the mess that's down in there. It's pretty nasty.
I mean, this is like the one place that, I mean, if it was me, I'd probably vacuum it, but.
I will at some point. I'll at least clean in here.
Cool.
But
yeah, this is what it looks like, all exposed. So we got the rubber boot down here and everything. And is this a short shifter?
it's the Mazdaspeed Protege shifter, which is shorter than the, I don't know if it counts as the actual short shifter, but it's shorter than the base and the Protege5, so.
Well, I'll call it a short shifter.
Yeah.
Cool.
If you buy an actual short shifter, it's shorter than this, but this is, I would consider it a short shifter.
It's short until you put that seasonal tap on there, and then that's
You can see it's
oh, we're just talking short throws.
doesn't go very far.
Yeah, short throws.
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
All right, so I've unfortunately already broke mine. I found out the hard way.
What?
But you can see 2 screws are on top,
Okay.
but down here, these 2 go from underneath.
Ah, that is
So
shady.
I don't know if you can. You might be able to get your hand in there from this way to get like one of them little tiny stubby screwdrivers in there.
You're gonna need like.
But if not, you got to take out the whole center console.
Oh man.
Which that's still not that hard. It's just 2 clips right here, and then a couple screws in the back here, and then the whole thing just lifts right off. But
That sounds like a pain.
there are 2 screws right here. Mine are broken, but they go from underneath,
Okay.
so you can't get to them from up top.
Try not to break these back ones.
Yeah.
Just go in. But
You can see it's. But once you get that silver piece back on top, it holds this down. So if you do break it, it's not the end of the world, but don't break it.
yeah. All right. That sounds like every plastic piece ever.
So then
Cool.
that just comes right off.
All right.
I've already test fitted this, so I know what I'm doing. But just wrap this around. And somewhere I pre-made some holes.
So you poked a couple holes in it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It gets covered, but...
What's the deal with that? Why?
Because I'm going to put the screw through the hole and through here. So that way it makes sure it doesn't just pop off.
That's a good call. So that'll actually lock it in. So
Yeah.
that you're not just pulling it off every 5 minutes.
So I tried it without it, and if you shift a little too aggressively, might pull it right off the thing.
Alright. Well, that's a good tip then.
So the holes are just extra security.
Alright. Yeah, it shouldn't damage the boot or anything.
No.
It won't even be exposed.
So, take my screws, I got one there.
Yep. These are the front screws, right?
Yeah. I'm not going to use screws for the back.
Yeah, that was...
One they broke, and two, like I said, that cup holder piece will hold this down, so.
Awesome.
So, alright. Unscrew this. And one more thing I actually noticed, this hole up top is a little big. So if you put it on, I mean, it'll probably just stay there, but if you want it to be more secured, I've come up with this contraption here.
What is this, customization stuff?
A nut. So just screw that on there. And then that will hold this washer.
Okay.
Just let it sit on top. And then now, that will not go past the washer.
Oh, sweet!
So you won't have to worry about it falling down. I mean, it might not be that big of a deal for you, but...
No, I think that's perfect.
Some cars might have something like that. Like if you can see down here it has it, but that's down lower.
Yeah.
You'll have this whole
all that
3 inches right here that the boot can travel up and down on.
No, that's smart.
That's what I came up with.
Super smart.
So then you just screw these 2 screws back in. Cool.
Yo, that looks nice.
Yep, and then once you put this piece back on, try and make this as loose as you can, give you more room. Snap back in, and screw your knob back on.
That looks clean. Wow. Yo, I like that.
Yeah. See, it's a little tight, but it should hold.
Yo. Awesome. Very cool, man.
Yeah.
Once we get some more Hawaiian themed interior stuff going on, and you know, we mentioned the seasonal tap. Well, I mean, that looks nice right now, but...
I want to see what it looks like with that one.
Yeah? Saw that seasonal tap real quick?
Yeah. I like the beer tap, but it wasn't really good for going to the track.
Yeah.
This doesn't really work too well with the how big the hole is on top of here.
Okay. So, let us know down below what you think. Should we keep this weighted shift knob, or go with a seasonal. What is that, Sam Adams?
Sam Adams.
Sam Adams seasonal. What do you think? What do you think, Ryan?
I don't know. This one's cool, but this is good for just chilling, just cruising.
Yeah.
This one's more for race purposes.
This thing's like a cane, pimp cane of sorts. Very cool.
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Yep, so that is the install of the Billetworkz Shift Boot, and we've got a lot coming up with Billetworkz. We've got another $200 worth of items to install in the cars actually from Billetworkz, and we might even make a trip out to Austin's shop where he creates everything, and he's got his Panda WRX. I'm not sure if you guys have seen it, but if you're not following Austin already on Instagram, definitely follow him at this one right here, and let us know what you think. We've got options. We've got the weighted shifter, and then we've got the Sam Adams seasonal at the moment. So let us know what you think down below, which one Ryan should keep on the car. And if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure you subscribe and share with all of your friends, and definitely help us out by picking up one of our t-shirts. We've got them available with coffee, pizza, and G35s. Oh, and Subarus too. And here's the deal, guys. Ryan and I are running around like headless chickens. We are going nuts with the amount of work that we are doing at the moment. So we've been meaning to create a new t-shirt for the channel. And what we want is a Mazdaspeed Protege5 t-shirt. But we don't have any time to make it. So if you are a graphic designer or an artist, in the description below, we have an email. And if you want to take some screenshots of the Mazdaspeed Protege5 and design an image that we can use for coffee, pizza, and Mazdaspeed Protege5 t-shirts, there's a very good chance that we will be using your image on our future t-shirts, and then Ryan can actually have one of the t-shirts he really always wanted.
Yeah, I really want one.
Right? So many people
I love this car.
Right? So many people keep hitting us up. They're like, where's the Mazda? Well, we want to have the t-shirt for it. In the description below, send it to our email, and yeah. Cool.
Yep.
Awesome. Yeah. Sweet. This is what happens when we watch Fast and the Furious. Like, cool, man.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video, and we'll see you next time. Too many plans.
Yeah. We want performance spec show cars, so this one probably needs a larger engine. That one probably needs bigger turbo. This one.
You gotta have one daily.
Do you?
Yeah, so that's one daily.
What, the Subi?
Yeah.
Cool.